with another one of you. It's true. I mean, you see it all the time. I see people, they'll go somewhere and they'll get a drink or something, and they'll be standing there and they'll stand there and they'll go, oh my, that tastes horrible. Hey, try that, would you please? We do that to our friends all the time, don't we? We're crazy. We're crazy. I do it. I like it. But you know, you get in that structure. Now I know you're thinking, well, what if I get snagged? I'm going to show you how to get a snag out. It's simple, it's easy, but it's all in your preparation. Watch up here in this video, underwater footage of how to get a snag out, ladies and gentlemen.